Is YouTube going to help you get a deal? No. Is a book going to help you get a deal? No. Is a course going to help you get a deal? Might help you a little bit. Is a mentorship going to help you get a deal? Maybe a little bit. But what I'm going to tell you right now is having the framework of what I gave you today will be the most impactful thing ever. Here's the step-by-step stuff right here. I've got it. A step-by-step of how to get deals. We're going to get to this. Who in here is looking for your first deal? What you are to me as a leader is an opportunity for me not only to practice what I know, because we don't own our information until we give it to somebody else. That's what's in it for you. First and foremost, what's in it for a leader is that you now can become a true leader by owning the information. Everybody in here that's a newbie, I would talk to a minimum of 3 leaders. And I would find the thing that resonates with you the most, because you're not going to benefit the leader by just saying, oh, okay, you're the first call. And that's, I'll just start working with you. I really like you. You say, hey, here's what I would do as the new person. I want to make sure I serve you at the highest level. And if I don't resonate with what your goals are, I know that I'm going to overthink it and I will not be consistent. Can we agree that that is what human beings do? If you're not excited about the thing, you're not going to do the thing. So talk to 3 leaders. I'm giving you the game plan right now. Talk to 3 leaders. This is the homework. Step number 1 is talk to 3 leaders. Step number 2 is ask the leaders questions. Here's the questions I would be asking the leaders. How can I serve you? First question, how can I serve you? The next question, what do you want in your business? Or what do you need? Do they want to fix and flip? Do they want to wholesale? Do they want to buy and hold? Do they want to do lending? What do they want to do? Another question. Okay, these are questions you should ask. Don't get off the phone call. Don't get off the Zoom until you've answered these questions. Okay. What do you guys do? What does your business do? And how can I help accomplish that goal? Here's the final question I want you to ask. Actually, it's an umbrella question. It'll have a couple of things involved in it. What does success look like if we work together? Meaning, what type of main objective am I trying to accomplish? And then the next question is, how can we reverse engineer that into 18 minutes a day? 18 minutes a day. If you want to be better than 95% of people on the planet at any given thing, you do it 18 minutes a day, and that's it. And in 1 year, you will be better than 95% of people on the planet by doing that one thing for 18 minutes a day. I'm telling you, if all you do is 18 minutes a day, you will get a deal with these leaders. They'll help you get on the phone. Here's what a leader's going to say. Say, Luciano might say, I want you to go into Orlando wholesale Facebook groups and I want you to set up appointments with me to talk to more wholesalers. Oh, wait, you're telling me I don't even have to be the one having the conversations? Nope. I just need you to do appointment setting and I want you to filter these people out 18 minutes a day. Oh, wow. So should I have a daily objective? Yes. Set 1 appointment a day. That's how you know you're on target. Oh, dude, that's it? Yep. That compounds. It'll turn into a deal. Now, last part of this, let's wrap this conversation up with a bow with this leader, is can we get this in writing? And what should be in the writing? It should be a JV agreement. It should be some sort of employment agreement. It should be something in writing, even if it's email. Have we given you guys JV agreements to set these expectations? The answer is yes, we've spent the money. Put it in writing, every single agreement. Leaders in the JV agreement, make sure you tell them in writing, like a job description, what their daily duties are for those 18 minutes. If you are a leader, do not take somebody on your team without putting what their 18-minute expectations are every single day. The leaders will determine what your 18 minutes are. Now, if I have a job description in my JV agreement, I have my 18 minutes and I write out what does success look like and what are we shooting for 90 days, here's another thing you should have in this agreement. How will I, the new person, get paid? Have I given you enough clarity to have these conversations? Do we know exactly what to do? Should we be getting into an arrangement without documenting it and without typing in my job description and 18-minute daily thing? What does success look like? What is our total objective? A wholesale deal, a fix and flip, a Gator deal, a multifamily. And also, how do I get paid? Have we written that all into an agreement? Now, couple of things. Is it okay for a leader or a new person to say, man, I am so grateful for your time, but I don't think that I'm going to serve you, or vice versa, as high as you as we probably could, because I think you should go work on multifamily, or you should go work on whatever. Are we okay having these conversations? I don't want anybody wasting anybody else's time in here. And a lot of people, me included, when I was starting in the game, I was a people pleaser. If you are truly a people pleaser, you are not stealing people's time, because there's nothing worse to an adult than somebody stealing their time. Upfront contract, have the conversation. Okay. So step number one, what was step number one? Connect with leaders. Step number two, ask the leaders the questions. Step number three, document the agreement with everything I just told you. So there's step number three. Okay. You ready for step number four? I want you to put a notification in your phone every day. You've got to find that time in your day, 18 minutes. And what I want you to do is put an alarm in your phone that reminds you during that time. And all it says is 18 minutes. And do the thing that's on your agreement for 18 minutes. I want you to have an alarm. That's it. I want you to have an alarm that says, hey, 18 minutes. Now, some of you are going to need that alarm. Other people are going to go, nope, I don't need that, because I already know exactly. You just gave me clarity. I'm a doer. I'm going to go get it done. Make sense? Is YouTube going to help you get a deal? No. Is a book going to help you get a deal? No. Is a course going to help you get a deal? Might help you a little bit. Is a mentorship going to help you get a deal? Maybe a little bit. But what I'm going to tell you right now is having the framework of what I gave you today will be the most impactful thing ever. 18 minutes a day, 90 days straight. And if you skip a day, is it okay if I skip a day as long as maybe the next day I do it for 36 minutes? Yeah. But really, it's not even about the 18 minutes. And it's not a collective amount of time. It's doing it every day. It's about the habit. So I love you guys. I appreciate you. We'll see you guys soon. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.